Greetings, thanks for joining me on a really quick little yoga break for all of us computer workers. I have a really great tool that I love to use. You know, we've used yoga belts a lot. Yoga belts allow us to get into poses a little deeper, a little differently, but I tend to like to use scarves because they're prettier, they give a little bit more, and they have this like little fluid kind of sensation when you use them. So we're gonna just do some upper body stretches for all of that computer work that we've been doing. So I want you to take your pretty belt or your pretty scarf and just take it out. So maybe you're about 2 to 3 feet, right? And you're gonna reach all the way up. Oh, doesn't that feel good? Yeah, just to a point where you stop, right? So it'll be coming down like this. And then when you exhale, good. And then inhale. And then exhale. Good. And now take it a little bit further, maybe just another 6 inches, 8 inches or so. And you're going to come up, 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 and you're going to come back a little bit. I want you to stop right there in that nice little V position. Super important stretch right here. Yeah, so take it in front again and exhale right into that V. Good. Inhale and exhale. Good. And one more time. Inhale and exhale. Now hold it. Now when we're in this V position with our arms nice and straight, we are actually stretching a very important muscle that we can't really get to very easily. It's the pectoralis minor. It's the muscle that allows us to do this beautiful shoulder opener. Good, and then bring it all the way back. Good, then you can just take your arms and give yourself a little rest, maybe roll those shoulders around because we're gonna add a little bit to it. So take the scarf, you're back in, maybe to that last V position. And this time I wanna just slide a little bit more, yeah. So let's see how far we can go with our range of motion of our shoulder joint, right? So I can find this sensation about right here where I get a stopping point. So I'm gonna slide my hands a little bit further so that I can go all the way back. That feels so good. I know that's so good for my body as well because it feels so good. If there's ever any pain, then you stop. You don't have to go all the way back, right? So just gently moving into that beautiful shoulder socket. Yeah, all of that rounded forward posture kind of gets those pectoral muscles tight. So we're just stretching them, opening them up. Good. And then one last time. Good, bring it back together, maybe shake it out a little bit. And now we'll use the belt to give us a nice little lateral bend, which is a sideways bend, and a little twist, and then we'll be all done, okay? So grab the belt, maybe you're back into that 2 to 3 feet position we started with. We're gonna inhale up, and we're gonna exhale, lean to one side, doesn't matter which one, and up, and lean to the other side. Good, come up again. And we'll lean, and you can bend the elbow if that feels good. Oh, that feels good. Actually, it gets into the armpit a little differently. Good. And come up, and then bend and lean. Remember, these are all explorations. There's really never a right or the wrong, right? So take a breath here, and exhale. We're going to twist to one direction. Just twist. Good. Inhale, center. Exhale to twist. Inhale, center. One more time each side. And back to the center. And again. And back to the center. Very good. See that nice little stretch to get those shoulders to be free and open again? Very good. Bring your legs out in front of you. Give them a nice little shake. Maybe crisscross your legs the other way. And then we'll do one more little shoulder opener. If you've been in a yoga class before, you've seen a yoga video, you probably have seen this pose. It's called Gomukhasana, which is a shoulder opener. It does a lot of different rotations for the shoulder joint. Explore. Remember, there's no right or wrong in this. So you're going to take your belt or your pretty scarf in your right hand. Palm is open, and the belt is kind of allowing you to be draped, maybe blowing in the wind, and then taking that up all the way, and then pat yourself on the back, like you're patting yourself on the back. Good. Now take the opposite hand up to the elbow, and we're going to pull that elbow back and down a little bit. Oh boy, that gets into your pectoralis muscle, and it gets into this tricep right here. This little muscle here, toning this muscle right now. Good. And then take that hand up, and we're going to wrap it behind us. Good. Grabbing the belt. You don't have to touch your fingers. Just hold on to the belt either side. Holding on. Nice deep breath. And maybe an exhale with a bow. And inhale, come up again. Oh, one more exhale with a bow. And an inhale, come up again. Good, and let's unwind one arm, unwind the other arm. Feel free to move it around if you need to do a little adjustment. And here we go, other side. Belt in the middle of the palm. Bring it all the way up, pat yourself on the back. Pat, 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 pat. Good. Take the other hand to the elbow. Push the elbow back and down. You'll feel it. You'll feel it all the way through this tricep muscle, a little bit underneath here in your lats. Good. And once you've got that nice little stretch for that top arm, now the bottom arm is going to do its thing. It's going to wrap behind, grabbing a hold of the belt or the scarf. Sit up nice and tall. This is your beautiful posture. We're actually strengthening our back muscles too as well. So take a breath. Exhale, bow. Inhale up. And exhale, bow. Good. Inhale up. And then release it. Very good. Roll it out. Roll it out. Good. Shake it out. Very good. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick little break. I know that a lot of you spend time on the computer or with some kind of arts and crafts or even out in your garden, right? Where a lot of your motions are static, they're rolled forward. That was something to just open us up, feel nice and good and beautiful and energetic. So thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.